How Tesla stock will rise in 2023. Tesla Incorporated is a worldwide American automobile and sustainable energy corporation with its headquarters in Austin, Texas, has been creating electric cars since 2003. It is one of the famous Elon Musk giant companies. Tesla is currently in the news due to its stock's continual sway. Let's explore how Tesla stock is expected to progress in 2023. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning established Tesla Motors in July 2003. Nikola Tesla, the inventor and electrical engineer, is honored in the corporate name. With a $6.5 million investment in February 2004, Elon Musk rose to the position of the company's largest shareholder. He assumed the position as CEO in 2008. Musk was the driving force behind Tesla's $13 million Series B venture capital fundraising round in February 2006, which welcomed Valor Equity Partners to the funding group. Sergey Brin, Larry Page, and former eBay president Jeff Skoll were among the notable investors in the third $40 million round that Musk co-led in May 2006. The overall amount of private financing investment increased to over $105 million in May 2007 after a fourth round worth $45 million. Tesla, according to Musk, seeks to speed up the switch to environmentally friendly energy and transportation, with solar energy and electric cars serving as the main sources. Since its founding, Tesla has continued to produce renowned autos. Tesla's first automobile model, the Roadster sports car, began production in 2009. Model S cars first appeared in 2012, followed by the Model X SUV in 2015, the Model 3 sedan in 2017, the Model Y crossover in 2020, and the semi-truck in 2022. The Model 3 became the all-time best-selling plug-in electric vehicle in June 2021. Being the first electric vehicle to sell 1 million units globally. During the whole 2022 calendar year, Tesla delivered nearly 1.31 million cars, a 40% increase over the year before. As of August 2022, the business had sold 3 million cars in total. In October 2021, Tesla reached a market capitalization of $1 trillion, becoming the sixth company in American history to do so. With a market share of 14% for plug-in vehicles and 21% for battery electric vehicles in 2021, Tesla was the world's best-selling maker of plug-in and battery electric passenger vehicles. 1,313,851 vehicles were delivered by Tesla in 2022, an increase of 40% over 2021, with production up 47%. Though it was less than expected, by the end of 2021, Tesla has sold 2.3 million vehicles worldwide since 2012. Tesla stated that their net income for the fiscal year 2021 was $5.52 billion. The annual revenue of Tesla increased by 71% over the prior fiscal year to $53.8 billion. It has been informed that $314 million of the total revenue in 2021 came from the sale of regulatory credits to other manufacturers in order to meet government pollution standards. For numerous quarters, that amount has been a lower proportion of income. Again, Tesla sold $679 million in legal carbon credits in the first quarter of 2022. Further, Tesla had $17.6 billion in cash on hand at the end of 2021, a $1.8 billion decrease from the end of 2020. Tesla announced in February 2021 that it would soon accept Bitcoin as payment in a 10-K filing that it had invested about $1.5 billion in the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. However, Tesla's stock fell by more than 50% in 2022 as a result of many problems. Tesla didn't have a good time in 2022 as its CEO, Elon Musk, decided to pursue some dubious activities that destroyed the stock value of the business. Some aspects could be overlooked until Musk purchased Twitter and started using it as a platform for his own opinions. Up until that moment, The most contentious aspects of Tesla were the high cost of repairs for older vehicles and the poor quality of its construction. However, that wasn't Tesla's only issue. At the beginning of 2022, Tesla predicted 50% growth, but achieving that target proved difficult as the company struggled with labor disputes, and additionally, a CEO who thought he could say whatever he wanted without facing repercussions. In March, Tesla built its newest factory in Germany, but it struggled to fill all of the open positions with adequate workers. The corporation was under the most strain in the last 3 months of 2022 as manufacturing was hindered by coronavirus outbreaks in China. Significant price cuts were made on current models, demand was weaker than expected, and Tesla's sales were impacted by rising competition from established manufacturers. However, Musk's acquisition of Twitter distracted him from Tesla's daily operations as he sought to recoup from his impulsive choice to acquire the social media titan. The price of Tesla shares peaked at the beginning of the year, but fell by nearly 65% by the year's end. During this sharp decline in value, major shareholders demanded that Musk return to his responsibilities at Tesla and leave Twitter alone. Tesla expecting a comeback in 2023. Analysts predict Tesla's earnings per share will increase by a less impressive 40% to $5.66 in 2023, while its revenues will increase by 42% to $118.2 billion. During the first 2 weeks of 2023, the stock recovered nearly 20% of its value, but it's unclear how Tesla will fare in the months ahead. Tesla now has a market capitalization of over $400 billion after an undoubtedly stellar start to 2023. That falls well short of its peak. The company's valuation topped $1.2 trillion in January of last year. The market cap still appears to be excessive. It almost equals the net income from the previous year. If significant price reductions result in lower profits this year, that already dizzying price-to-earnings ratio would rise even more. Tesla is advancing its ambitions to construct additional gigafactories and expand existing ones. Early in 2023, it filed paperwork to increase the size of its Texas gigafactory. It also plans to develop factories in Mexico and Indonesia. The Chinese gigafactory's expansion has been put on hold. The Cybertruck will be produced at the Texas Gigafactory, which is also handling additional Model Y production. The Tesla Cybertruck is anticipated to begin early production in the middle of 2023 and resume regular manufacturing by the year's end. The anticipated growth in Tesla's revenue is 52.3%. Over the next 5 fiscal years, it is predicted that Tesla's revenue would expand by an average of 26.1%. Over the next 5 fiscal years, Tesla is anticipated to generate a median revenue growth prediction of 25.4%. What do you think then? Will Tesla be able to rise in 2023? Remember to voice your opinion. Watch the channel for further videos on massive corporations from around the world. Thank you for your attention.